Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099-C. This form is issued by lenders when they cancel a debt of $600 or more. It's crucial to understand that canceled debt is typically considered taxable income by the Internal Revenue Service. Receiving this form means a lender has forgiven a portion of your debt, and you'll need to report it on your tax return. Always double-check the information on the form for accuracy before proceeding with your tax filing. It's important to determine if your canceled debt is actually taxable. Not all canceled debt is considered income. For instance, if you were insolvent immediately before the debt was canceled, meaning your liabilities exceeded your assets, you might be able to exclude some or all of it. Similarly, debt canceled in a bankruptcy case is generally not taxable. There are also specific exclusions for qualified farm debt and qualified real property business debt. When it's time to file, you'll typically report taxable canceled debt on Schedule 1 of your Form 1040. If you qualify for an exclusion, such as insolvency or bankruptcy, you must complete Form 982, Reduction of Tax Attributes Due to Discharge of Indebtedness. This form helps you calculate the amount of debt you can exclude. Remember to attach Form 982 to your tax return if you are claiming an exclusion. To ensure a smooth filing process, always keep thorough records of all documents related to your canceled debt. This includes the Form 1099-C itself and any supporting paperwork. Understanding the long-term tax implications is also vital, as exclusions can sometimes affect future tax attributes. Always strive to file your tax return accurately and by the deadline. If you have any doubts or a complex situation, consulting a qualified tax professional is highly recommended for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.